Oh James, take me on these virtual tours to a time when everything was bright and pure. With every click and every pixel, James brings us to life in this retro world. We feel so alive.
Hey everyone, welcome to Awesome Canadian Homes. I'm your host, James, and today we are looking at a cottage, $2.2 million cottage at the Prince Edward County Country Home Cottage. It's by our good friends Linwood and Lakeshore Designs. So Craig built this, his crew built this sucker, and if you take a look, it's got a beautiful driveway, lots of room, kind of like that. We're looking at, I'm not a big fan of um, the black look of these cottages. I'd rather like see the natural wood or maybe white, so it doesn't really attract the heat. Boom, we're inside. Taking a look for the first time together. Let's take a pan over from the front door. Looks like we got a double door closet. There's the front door we just came through. Looks maybe a smart lock and security system. Somewhere to put your coat and garbage, like a mortgage. Boom, just throw it right in that basket. Take a look at your smile in that mirror. Oh, and then we look up, and above the closet it looks like the upper level or some kind of loft. So probably just a small loft area. Okay, let's keep going. Laminate flooring throughout. So it's not hardwood, but easy to clean. I'm not a big fan of this kitchen right off the door. Front door, and there's not even like a space. It's just a kitchen. But space saving, I guess. It's a little smaller model than we typically see in these cottage giveaways. I don't like this, not a giveaway, but you know what I mean. Prize. Grand prize. It's a little smaller than I was expecting. But I don't like that fridge, how it's popped out of like, in this case, I'd rather see a flush fridge built in. Usually you don't see like a gap like that. It's got nice lighting though, double sink, looks decent. Looks like they got kind of cheap hardware in this price, but it still works. It's just looks a little on the cheap side for $2.2 million, and all the paint is from Benjamin Moore. Lando Lighting is a big sponsor here, so all the lighting is most likely from them. And Caesar Stone does the countertops. Those are I know that's their three big sponsors for this prize. But if you win it, I mean, $2.2 million country home. It's lovely in the sense that it's bright. Like that's the biggest thing going for it in my eyes right now. It's just how many windows and but the space is quite small. But if it's just I don't know. I think it's pretty good though. I'm not like it's still a good price. But let's take a look. Got the fireplace, TV above it. I do like this kind of hidden, right? It's like off to the back to the front of the house. You got your laundry room. This looks quite nice. I like this. The hardware matches the kitchen, so they kept with that style. Everything is from the same place, so I guess that makes sense. They just doubled down. So again, that's nice to have an actual window in your laundry room. That's kind of nice. That's rare. Let's take a look in here. It's the garage. So you can put all your country toys in here, or God forbid, put a car in a garage. It's crazy talk. But you could, again, windows in here, which is quite nice. I like that. You don't get that too often. So definitely the price has a couple of cool things, but I just still think it's a little on the cheaper side of things with their fit and finishes. Powder room off from the garage, which is very convenient. I like that. Very convenient. What do you guys think so far just by cruising around here? Do you agree that it's nice and bright, and do you like the finishes, or would you upgrade anything that you've seen so far? This is a over 2,500 square feet living space, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. We're just going to go downstairs here and check it out. Bathroom. Okay, this one's interesting. This one has a tub, old school kind of tub with the shower. I don't know if that's something you're interested in, or if you rather just have a walk-in instead of walk over. I personally like just the walk-in. I don't need a tub. I kind of like, and when you get older, you don't really want a tub like that. You just want something to get it in and out really easy. And this is like a child's room. It's but if you don't have a child as a guest, if you're no kids in your family, then I guess you can convert this to maybe an office or something like that, or a craft room, or reading nook or something. Anything you want, really. Here's the next bedroom here. Single bed, it looks like. I don't know if that's a double. It looks like a single bed. So this is small rooms down here again. So just keep that in mind. I like the closet, sliding closet. Looks like you have to leave the room to go to the washroom in this particular case. Just keep that in mind. Not a huge deal, but just to let you know. Here's the little rec room, I guess you could call it, like a little family room on the lower level. Big TV, your typical stuff. Furniture seems pretty nice. I don't mind the furniture here. And then there's a door here. Let's see what's in here. All your utilities. Probably some storage space for like a couple of cases of water type of thing. Or stuff that you don't use all the time that you don't mind storing in this room. There you go. Nothing too much to say. Come back out. Let's take a look. There's a door to go outside from the basement here. Take a look out here. Oh, I didn't realize this is not a lake access. Doesn't look like it's a lakefront cottage. Looks like there's a lake there, but it doesn't look like you have direct access to it. That's interesting. Very interesting. I'd probably sell this right away then. I'm not really interested in something like this, where there's no access to the lake directly from your place. I mean, I'd rather just sell this and get a cottage with direct access to a lake. That's just me. So let's go back in here. And I'm going to cut because I'm going to go back upstairs and just cut the video until I get up there and show you outside from the upstairs. Alright, we're back upstairs. We're going to go outside to show you out there. Yeah, again, the lake is it's there, but I mean the views are okay, but I still think for the price, I would rather be access direct to the lake right in my backyard and have that kind of dock and get a boat, all that fun stuff. I mean, That's the whole point, I think, of being out in the country and having a cottage. So for me, this would definitely be a sell. Sell. But the the deck looks pretty nice. It's got the room for everything you need, barbecue and things like that. And the view's okay. I mean, it's not pretty here in the fall or winter, I should say. But there's a side, so you can come off you can have access directly on the side of the house to go upstairs. So if you have guests, you don't have to walk them through the whole house. If you're just having a barbecue, bring them in from there if you want. And all right. So I think that's about it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this. Would you sell this, keep it? If you want it, what would you do? Let me know in the comments. Hit a like, please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Hey everyone, I forgot to show you the upstairs. My apologies. I just thought about it after I ended everything. I'm like, uh-oh, I forgot to show upstairs. So let's take a look. You got a lot of stairs to climb to get into your, looks like your master principal suite. And again, we have that loft. I knew there was a loft up here. So that's a little area. Again, if you want to change that up, maybe you have pets. This could be like a pet palace right here with a pet bed and food and things like that. Kind of keep them, and cats like heights, so this would be a perfect spot if you have a few cats or something like that. And little dogs. So there you go. Boom, inside looks like we got, again, quite the nice lighting, natural lighting. So right there, thunderstorms would probably be amazing up here. Just rocking your bed. Don't come knocking if the bed's rocking, and that's from the thunderstorms. Look at that. All right. Nice. It's actually very comfortable up here. It looks very comfort. Plus you're higher up, so you have that sense of security as well. You're in a little nest. You can kind of call this your love nest or something like that. A little private upstairs, and here's your ensuite. You got the kind of modern tub along the wall, and you have a nice size windows, bring in the natural light. Your sink, and your walk-in shower. Again, everything looks a little more on the basic side, modern but basic, if you know what I'm saying. And but it has everything you need in the country home. So I mean, it beats a barn. That's for sure. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this tour, and I apologize for not including it in my first video there. Okay, have a great one. See you in the next.
Neon lights are fashion, colors of the night. VHS tapes are playing, taking us on a run.